What's the problem within Audi A7?
So the problem with this car is 3 months ago it came to our car center and we changed the air conditioner condenser, I believe. So the problem went away for 1 month, and after 1 month the problem came again. So the car came to our service and we are trying to check where is the leakage or where is the problem. So we ran the tests, checked everything. So it turns out this hose right here is having a leak. So how can we find the leak? We just pour some bubbles on it and it should come out. Let's check it, right?
Okay.
This should be around 7 bars. Now we'll check for leaks with just simple bubbles. Means there's air leaking out from this hose. That's why you have to change it. Okay, so this is the hose that we are trying to replace. Yeah, let's do that exchange.
Okay.
What's the temperature?
So right now temperature is around 8.6 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
So it's very cold and the air conditioning is working.
No more leak.
Yeah, no, we checked for leaks, checked everything, we refilled everything again, so the air conditioner would be working again. So right now is a test run. So as you can see on the thermometer is around 8 degrees.
Okay, good.
Yeah. I think the test is over. We're finished.
Good job.
If you found this content helpful, please like, comment, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.